And so it's been our pleasure to play for you this afternoon. Again, our group is Ho'okena, and there's lots more music coming up for us in a little bit. We leave you with a medley of songs that talk about our aloha for the things that we do, helping to preserve Hawaiian culture, our music, our language, and our dance. A medley that we call Oiwi, or Native, and this is for each of you. Mahalo and thank you for supporting the cause. Makaha Bash 5.
E aluli ke mai kako E ta oiwi o Hawaii na mua mai ole Na mua nani e aluli ke mai kako E ta oiwi o Hawaii na mua mai
Aloha, ahulo, ito ba, kupono.